Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are about to create some DIY wall art as well as decorate our patio, our dining area. So if you guys are interested, please stay tuned. For our art project, we are going to be creating some macrame wall art, and you're going to need some macrame rope or any rope that you choose, as well as your hot glue gun, a lot of glue sticks, the paint color of your choice, as well as a few paint brushes. Now, if you guys want a step-by-step tutorial on this project, you can find a plethora of these on Pinterest. That's where I found my inspiration. Or you can find a lot of videos here, hundreds if not thousands of videos here on YouTube. It's very simple, and by doing it myself, I saved a lot of money because I was planning to purchase these, and it ran me into anywhere from 70 euros to 135 euros per piece. I saved 400 to 600 euros. So yeah, and the only thing I bought was my rope that ran me into maybe $12, 12 euros. So you get it, right? I saved a lot. Everything else I had. So I would suggest that you try doing your own art yourself versus going out and purchasing it. But if you don't have the time, energy, or patience, then honey, go ahead and purchase it. I would suggest using a flat surface when creating this because you get hot glue on your fingers, and trust me honey, that you don't want to experience that kind of pain. Okay, just avoid it. Place it on a flat surface. I use my glass platter because with glass it's easy to just pull right up. The glue, most of the glue just pulls right off, and whatever else that stays on, you can just go ahead and scrape it off easily. But if you're looking to keep it attached to something, I use cardboard boxes for my flat surfaces, the ones that I kept flat. But the ones that I wanted a basket can't talk, a basket look, I just use the glass platter. I also made a lot of these macrame leaves, and like I said, if you guys want a tutorial, a full step-by-step tutorial, there are a lot of videos here on YouTube as well as Pinterest if you want to follow a step-by-step tutorial. I'm just showing you a part of one that I did. As you'll see, I started off with a longer string and then it went smaller because I decided that I wanted a smaller leaf, so I cut the string in half and I worked with it like that. But it was very easy to do, just extremely tedious. I would recommend creating all your leaves first, then brushing all of them out after you've created all of them. When it came to my macrame art designs, I just looked up a few designs off Pinterest and I just recreated them. I don't have an exact layout or method to how I did it. I just saw some that I liked and I memorized them, and I just went ahead and painted them onto my macrame art. We've reached the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give your girl a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Of course, you know we're going to add some more updates. That's just what we do, right?